be it from fresh blacktop or deep in the woods on sandy paths and everything in between. We had a pretty epic trip up to Algonquin this year. While Craig gave his bike a wipe down, I got out the drone just to show off exactly how deep into the woods we really were this year. The road into our cabin had only just been laid down, brand new loose sand, so it was quite an adventure getting in and out every time. It doesn't do well on the video here, but it was especially fun when we had the full load of all of our gear on top. This was the sketchiest of all the public roads we went on. A good chunk of it was still under construction, but once we got past that, this was some of the most fun we had the whole weekend.